Welcome to this channel. If this is your first time, welcome. If this is not your first time, welcome back. I've been doing a general Haitian Creole lesson. I've decided, been in the medical field myself, to help the people in the medical field. So I will be uploading some Haitian medical Creole lesson as well, targeted towards those in the medical profession to help them communicate with the Haitian people. And the vocabularies and phrases and words that I'll be sharing as well will be beneficial for people who are planning on going on mission trips to Haiti as well. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So we can get this going. Let's start it basically in the hospital. So hospital is l'hôpital. Hospital, l'hôpital. L'hôpital. That's how you say hospital in Creole. Physical therapist. Thérapeute physique. Thérapiste physique. Thérapeute physique. Pharmacist. Pharmacien. 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 Emergency medical technician. Technicien médical pour urgence. Technicien médical pour urgence. Technicien médical pour urgence. Doctor. Docteur. 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 Dentist. Dentiste. 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 Medical student. Étudiant médecin. Étudiant médecin. Étudiant médecin. Nurse. Infirmière. 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 Speech therapist. Thérapeute la parole. Thérapiste la parole. Thérapiste la parole. Respiratory therapist. Thérapeute respiratoire. Thérapiste respiratoire. Thérapiste respiratoire. Optometrist or eye doctor. Doctezier. 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 Occupational therapist. Thérapeute occupationnel. Thérapiste occupationnel. occupationnel, thérapiste occupationnel, surgeon, chirurgien, 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 social worker, travailleur social, travailleur social, travailleur social, anesthesiologist, anesthésiste, 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 security, sécurité, sécurité, sécurité. And if you're familiar with our lessons, I'm continuing with the same format where at the end of every lesson, I have some sentence so we can practice the new vocabulary that we've just learned. If this is your first lesson with us in the medical aspect of things, I advise that you go back to the general lessons so you can learn some of these new words to you, like yo, which is they, I, which is moi. So I go over those words in a previous lesson. So if you review the previous lesson, you'll be able to familiarize yourself with them, so we can use them in practice as we go along through these lessons. So let's go ahead and get through some practice. They work at the hospital. Yo travaille dans l'hôpital là. Yo travaille dans l'hôpital là. Yo travaille dans l'hôpital là. I am a pharmacist. Moi, c'est yon pharmacien. Moi, c'est yon pharmacien. Moi, c'est yon pharmacien. Ed is a nurse. Ed, c'est yon infirmier or infirmier. Infirmier is used for a male nurse. Infirmier with the accent is used for a female nurse. Ed, c'est yon infirmier. His child is an anesthesiologist. Petit li, c'est yon anesthésiste. Petit li, c'est yon anesthésiste. Petit li, c'est yon anesthésiste. Consult the social worker. Consulte travailleur social là. Consulter travailleur social là. Consulter travailleur social là. This marked the end of our first medical Haitian Creole lesson. I hope you were able to follow us. Please comment, and subscribe. Comment and subscribe. Commentez et abonnez. If you have any comment on how we can improve the lessons or any future lessons, things that I did not cover in this lesson that you would like to see in future lesson, please comment below, and I would be more than happy to incorporate your feedback in future lesson. Thank you for watching this lesson.